Hey guys, so I have a lot of avocados that I need to use up. So today I'm gonna make guacamole, but I wanted to just show you guys the right way to cut an avocado, so this way you get all of the avocado out of the skin and you don't waste any. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your avocado and you're gonna take your chef knife, make sure it's nice and sharp, and you're gonna go around. I'm actually moving the avocado on the knife, I'm not really moving the knife. Okay, once you go all the way around, you're gonna open it like that. Okay. Next thing you're gonna do is you take the knife and give it a little whack and get this knife stuck in the pit of the avocado. And you're just gonna give it a little turn. Should come right out. Okay, and then be careful removing the pit from the knife. So the next thing you're gonna do, lay the halves of the avocado on the cutting board and slice right down. See, my knife's a little dull because it wasn't going right through. Yep, I'm cutting right through the sticker. Doesn't matter. Alright, now here's for the tricky part. If you're doing this to a cold avocado, it might break the skin. But these are room temperature, so this should peel right off. Alright, sometimes if the avocado is overripe, it'll stick a little bit, but you got mostly everything, and you didn't have to struggle with any spoons or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for all my avocados. Now you put a little lime juice on this, some olive oil, salt, pepper. It's a good snack just like that. You can make them into cubes this way. Throw them on top of a salad, right? Just want to make sure they're bite-sized pieces. Think about how much avocado you could fit in your mouth. Or you could even do nice slices, thin slices. And they always look beautiful panned out on top of a dish. So that's how you cut an avocado.